Unscrew bottom screws and heat the front glass for easier screen separating. Separate screen with suction cup and move spudger around. Don't push too deep to protect flex ribbon underneath. Open the screen from left to right. Release screws and mainboard shield plates. Disconnect screen flex ribbons and move screen off. Release screw and heat up sensor and your speaker flex. Careful to remove it. If it torn, the Face ID won't work. Remove 9 screws around the backlight shield plate. Heat up with hot air gun and separate LCD and digitizer flex from back shield. Be careful to separate LCD and digitizer flex adhesive. Heat up bottom left of back shield. There is adhesive underneath. Be careful to protect flex ribbon. Take off backlight plate. Remove backlight film and place back shield plate on new screen. Install 9 screws around the backlight shield plate. Remove sticker on flex and place flex ribbon properly. Install and screw the sensor and your speaker flex on new screen. Remove residual waterproof adhesive and clean it with alcohol. Lay new waterproof adhesive on the back housing. Press around the adhesive to assure best waterproof effect. Connect all flexes again to the main board. Restart the phone. Both 3D touch and touch function work fine. Enter setting and reset the Face ID. Face ID back to work successfully. Install the mainboard shield plates back. Remove residual waterproof adhesive film away. Fit new screen into back housing and press around the screen. Install bottom screws and restart the phone. Face ID works perfectly.